Okay na.
Oo, go.
Ito, hindi na makita. Number 1. When a researcher has two quantitative variables which he would like to know if related or a relationship exists between them, what kind of statistics should he use? Yung sagot, letter A. Correlation statistics.
Ako na, go.
Number 2.
Ako na, number 2. Number 2, if the computed correlation value R is negative 0.23, what will be the best interpretation? Sagot dyan, D, no negative correlation kasi between two variables, isang variable nag-i-increase, isa nag-decrease. Vice versa lang. Okay, number 3 na.
Which of the following statements shows negative correlation between two given variables? Yung letter D had of males make up expenses of their partners.
4. Which of the following statements are true on how variables x and y be related? 1. Y may cause x. 2. 1 may be the cause of the other. Negative x may cause y. 3. The two, x and y, may be the result of a common cause or both are related to a third variable z. D. All of the above.
Okay na.
Ox na.
Number 5. Ay, yung babasahin ko pa to. Yung
Go.
problem.
Oo.
Go lang.
An instructor researcher wishes to determine the extent of relationship of the results between the reading comprehension test and the vocabulary test among students. There were 12 students who became the subject of this study, and their tests are shown below. Sa reading comprehension, merong 3, 7, 2, 9, 8, 4, 1, 10, 16, 5, 3, 8. Tapos sa vocabulary naman, 11, 1, 9, 16, 5, 17, 3, 15, 9, 15, 8, 12, 4. The number 5 question, if the instructor wants to know if there is a relationship between the two variables, which statistical treatment is best to be used? So yung answer is yung letter C, person, product, moment, correlation, coefficient. And next,
Number 6 na, diba?
Oo.
Okay. Number 6. What is the sum of the value of the variable x? Yung sagot dyan is P76 kasi pinag-plus ko lang lahat ng value dun sa reading comprehension. Tapos, yung result na, 76. Okay, next.
What is the sum of the value of the variable y? So yung variable y, 11, 1, 19, 5, 17, 3, 15, 9, 15, 8, 12, 4. Kaya add lang lahat yung magiging result, letter C, 119.
8. Which of the following equations are correct? 1. The sum of x squared is equals to 678. 2. The sum of y squared is equals to 1561. 3. The sum of x and y is equals to 724. D. All of the above.
Okay, next. number 9. Ay, number na ba tayo?
9.
Sino sa 9?
Number 9. Ay, lang. Number 9. What is the computed R value of the correlation? So, yung sagot natin dyan is A, negative 0.10. Ang nangyari kasi sa solution, di ba, kukunin muna natin yung tawag dito, yung sa X values tsaka sa Y values. Ang given kasi sa X values is yung summation of X values is equals to 76, di ba? Tapos yung mean niya, 6.33. Tatlong 3 pala yun. 6.333. Tapos, ano tawag dito? Yung sunod naman sa Y values, yung sum of Y values is equal to 119. Tapos yung mean niya, 9.917. Tapos, sa R calculation, ito yung formula. Yung R is summation of the quantity of X minus mean of Y times Y minus mean of X all over the square root of SS sub X times SS sub Y. So, R is equals to 29.67 kasi yun yung naging sagot dun sa sa X minus means of Y tapos Y minus means of X. Tapos, over square root of 196.67380 ay times 380.917. So, kapag overall answer nun is magiging 0.1084 negative. Kaya doon nakuha yung 0.10. Okay na. Gets nyo? Hindi ko get
Okay. Get ka, get. Okay, number 10. Number 10. What is the corresponding interpretation for the computed R value? Yung sagot dyan is D, negligible negative correlation. Okay na.
Ox na.
Boss to Josh.
Oh.
Na.